What exactly is a product canvas? A product canvas is a comprehensive framework for building product features your users will love. It's typically used by product managers and user experience designers, and it's a simple tool and framework to help you build products and features that your ultimate end users will love. And it just lays out this whole product experience in a very easy to use manner. Uh, the typical diagram or illustration you'll see for product canvas looks like this. It has a bunch of boxes or sections to fill out, like target group, big picture, product details. And you can print this out on a piece of paper, but I'm going to walk through how you can do this product canvas template in Coda. This is the product canvas template after you copy the template. And the first few things you want to fill out are the name, goal, and metrics for this product feature. So you could say this is mobile 2.0. The goal of this is to acquire mobile users, and the metrics will be, let's say, just number of app downloads. And down below, once you've filled out these higher level goals for the product canvas, now you can actually add in the personas, the big picture of how this feature will work, and also specific product details. You can clear the dummy data here by clicking this button, or just click on this button to start adding target groups. Maybe one target group is going to be, let's say, desktop users. And you can also add images to this specific target group, and they'll show up here in this column right here. And I can also add a big picture. Mobile app should be easy to use, and so on and so forth. And you can also fill in specific product details on how this feature will actually be used by your users. So we would add product details related to a mobile app. And finally, to give this a more visual feel, once you've added all of your target groups, big pictures, and product details, you can view what you've added as a kanban board. So you can kind of click in and see more details about a specific persona, a big picture, or product detail. And that is how you can fill out your own product canvas to build your next product feature your users will love.